Had a way to make it work and find another route.
Grand Rising, beautiful people. Today is another day. Today is a beautiful day. Do something great for yourself. Do something great for somebody else. So, the last time that I seen you all, we were doing our single. I'm going to continue to do the the single and satisfied videos. I'm just going to throw them in there, okay? But I've asked y'all, let me give me a sip. If you ain't drinking tea, what's wrong with you? You need tea in your life. We need tea. We need more tea than we drinking that coffee. But anyway, I asked you guys to let me know if you wanted me to do a capsule wardrobe. So even though I think I maybe had two responses to that question, even though nobody didn't respond like I thought, it's okay because I'm going to do it anyway. And I think today's video is going to start off our capsule wardrobe because today, the look for today is very casual, very retro, very modern, very like New Yorky kind of, if you understand. Yeah, I'm from New York, and that's probably where I get my style from. I never thought about that until now, but when I think about it, that may have came from there. You're a you're New Yorker. That's what. Okay, am I saying that right? Well, a fellow New Yorker. Okay, I'll go back to visit, which I used to do, but you can't pay me to go back now because it's too cold. And y'all know, Sonia. If you don't know, anyway, my name is Sonia. She don't like the cold weather. No, no, I do not. Trying to get away from it. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. But I'm gonna introduce y'all my outfit of the day today, and yeah, let's get started. All right, let's go. All right, so I chose this look for one. It's cold outside, and well, I got to get ready to go pretty soon. But it's really cold outside, and it's just the time of season to pull out the chunky sweaters. So last time in one of my videos, I had on my black chunky sweater. This is another chunky sweater. This is by Zara. I thrifted this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the deets on the outfit. So I have on the pants that I got from Style Week. I think I told you guys I'm doing a giveaway. And one of I was sent 2 pants from Style Week. I kept these. I gave another pair to my mom. So these are the vintage distressed jeans. They just have a little distress here. They have a little dirty, like distressed look in the back. And they have pockets in the front. So I paired them with my Mocha Liz Claiborne bag. I don't know if y'all ever seen this. It has drawstrings on it. I love this bag. See, you don't have to tell everything and show everything, you know, but this is the bag, okay? So I paired the belt itself, you guys. I have this belt here that's always in my closet. I don't wear it all the time, but I paired it because it has like the bronze gold. So I thought it would go good with my New Balances. The New Balance, I can put my feet on my own table, but the New Balance has like a cow print and it has like a dark chocolate. So the chocolate goes with the brown, bronze, you know, the belt and the bag and the sweater. So everything ties in together to give it like a classic look. And I absolutely love it. And I wore my hair back. I put on my gold from Style Weave. I put on one of my nice necklaces. And that is how we get our outfit of the day, y'all. So let me know, do y'all like this one? I really like it. I really like it. I like it. So let's get into the capsule wardrobe. All right, guys, we're back. Let me drop my tea down. Tea come in clutch on these cold days. I don't know what y'all's temperature is. Today is like, I think high is 57. We're going to start off with that. But anyway, we are in my closet and we're going to go ahead and get started. And this is going to be really easy. It's going to be fun. And I think you'll get the understanding and the gist of how I do what I do. So you're going to start off with classic colors. Those classic colors will be whites. You'll have whites. You'll have your beiges. Let me bring this down. You'll have your taupes. You can have gray, which I don't have right now because I got rid of a gray turtleneck. And you can have black. So inside all those styles, even for your pants, you will have white. You can have grayish stonewash. You can have your blue jeans. And you can have your blacks, okay? And you can do the same in the whites. You can do the same thing for your shorts. I have all my jeans here. I have blue jean. I can show you so you guys can understand. But jeans jackets, let's start off with the jean jackets. You can have dark, you can have a lighter, okay? With your jeans, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to have your darks, you're going to have your medium, you're going to have your kind of like in between that, and you can have your whites. So I have a pair of white button. All of these are my button down. And when I say button down, all of these have the buttons that come down like that. So that's classic, okay? All right. You can wear your shirts in and you can see the buttons. You can wear it tucked in the back. Half a shirt, you can still see. I'm just giving y'all key pointers of how to wear the clothes, building a capsule wardrobe. So those are your basic colors. So inside of those basic colors, this is what you do. This is the key. Make sure you have you a short sleeve white, a long sleeve white. Make sure they have the little swoop in the front. You can pair them, dress them up with the white button up. You can put this under there. Just imagine what I'm saying for that classic look. You can dress this up. You can dress this down. You get what I'm saying? Okay? If you wanted to put all three of these together, you can put, this is a suit jacket. You can put the white inside it, put the collar up, put this underneath it. You don't have to button this up. You can have it open, okay? I'm just giving y'all some pointers because that's how I would do it. That's how I have done it, okay? So when you start off your capsule wardrobe colors, you have everything you need, okay? I can do the same with all of these. I can throw on any pair of these. For example, I can pull out these baggy jeans, cargo baggy jeans that I just hauled. And if I wanted to, I could dress it up with this, okay? Just these two alone. Some nice shoes. Throw on whatever color blue jean jacket that I would like to have on. You got you a fit, okay? So that is just the beginning of building a capsule wardrobe. So you need just the basic colors, which I just showed you all, but start off with a tee. Make sure you have a t-shirt, a tank, even I'm going to show you this one. Okay, now I haven't worn this one yet. So even with the black, I'll start off with the black so you can understand what I'm saying. So just say you were feeling black. You got, it's only so many days in a week. You can pull from one of these colors, okay? You can pair this, I could pair this with any color one of my jeans, any color of them. The white ones, the blue jean, whatever color, light, dark blue, or in between, and white. I can put any one of these shirts, okay? Depending on the temperature outside, okay? So I have this chunky one, like this one. I also have this one that I have never worn that has that mock drip neck, and this is off the shoulder, go between your legs shirt. This is really like dressy. But I'm just saying, you can pick between all of those and you can have something. It's so easy, y'all. It's so easy. If y'all want me to go in more depth, I can do that. But I'm just showing you right now, easy, simple ways. And it's so easy like to style your closet because You know exactly what you have. You don't have to worry about, oh, I gotta find something. Where is it? It's going to be right there because you'll be able to see it because you're going to color coordinate everything the way it should be. And just make sure, as far as like your jeans, make sure you have all the colors. Like I said, these are, I can bring you closer so you can see. These are all, might get a little dark in here, but these are all my color jeans, y'all. Like I said, I have the white button ones, light color, medium color, dark color. And then these are my two jackets. And then down here, these are all my jeans and these are my shorts. I do the same thing with my shorts. Now, I must say, I may need, I had a pair of white slacks, but I don't own them anymore. I don't own a pair of white slacks anymore. So that will be the only thing that I think I will be lacking here, just in case, there was a meeting or you're going somewhere fancy and you don't want to put on jeans or white jeans. You may need some slacks. So yeah. As far as like your bags, as far as like bags and purses, it's up to you what you like. I like purses, colors that will go with anything. I just showed you my other bag. I didn't show you. I have my Fendi backpack up here. I also have, this that's gorgeous. And I have my Gucci. Now I did swap out because I'm wearing my hobo bag today. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed this first introduction to building a capsule wardrobe. And if you want me to, even though y'all don't tell me in the comments, I'm going to continue to still do them anyway. Because even though people might not comment, they are watching. I watch my analytics and I see things. So I know somebody's watching. So anyway, with that being said, guys, always remember to do what? Love yourself right here. So you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to come back for more and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.